Hi friends, in this video, we will learn how to do 2 by 2 multiplication in 3 to 4 seconds only. Just try guys in your mind. 21 times 31. Can you do that in 5 seconds? I'll wait. Time's up guys. Let's say if you got an answer, wonderful. If you didn't, I'll show you the way to do even faster than 5 seconds in 3 to 4 seconds. So whenever you're going to multiply, let's say 21 times 31, at first I will teach you slowly the process. Once you understand that, then we will speed up and do more questions, guys. So whenever you're doing the multiplication at first, you'll be making 3 spaces. So there are 3 numbers to fill it. At first, I'll try to fill my first number. To fill my first number, I'm going to consider the first number of the first 2-digit number and the first number of the second 2-digit number, and then I will multiply them. So 2 times 3 is 6. So my first digit is 6. Now I'll try to figure out my last digit here. For that, I'll be considering the last digit of the first number and the last digit of the second number. And I will just multiply them. So 1 times 1, which is 1. I'm done with my last digit as well. Now I'll try to figure out my middle number. Middle number is a little bit more tricky, so we can try to see and understand the pattern first. So for that, you're going to consider your inside number and outside number. So I'll be multiplying inside. So 1 times 3, which is 3. And 2 times 1, which is 2. These are the two numbers I'm going to plus them. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So my middle number is going to be 5. So 21 times 31, 651 is my answer. After learning this, now I'll do second question. You will enjoy more. Let us say if it is 41 times 21. Now, as you know, I'm going to make 3 space first. To fill out my first space, what am I going to do is, I'll be considering my first number here. Now I'll just multiply them. So 4 2s are 8. I'm done, guys, here. Now to get my last digit, I'll be considering my last digit here. I will multiply them. So 1 times 1 is 1. I'm done with my last digit as well. And to get that middle number, I'll be considering inside and outside. So 2 1s are 2 plus 4 1s are 4 and 2 plus 4 is 6. So my answer of 41 times 21 is 861. We are getting a bit faster and we are understanding the technique better as well, isn't it? Now, this question is a little bit more challenging than the first one, but once you understand, I think that will be easy as well. So again, in the starting, I'll be making my 3 space. To get my first number here, I'll be again considering my first digit and first digit. I'll multiply them. So 4 6 are 24. So I'm putting down 24 here. To get my last digit here, I'll be just considering my last number here and last number here, and I'll multiply them. So 2 times 3, which is 6. So 6 number there. Now, for the middle one, we got to be a little bit careful here, guys. Again, the method is same, but a little bit extra, we got to learn it. So again, inside and outside. So 2 6 are 12. Plus 4 3s are 12. My 12 plus 12 is 24. But I cannot write down 2-digit number here. I can write down only 1 digit. So the last digit 4, I'm going to write down here. And this 2, the first number, I'm going to take that as a carry. And now what can I do is 24 plus 2 is 26. And the last one is 4 and 6. So 2 6 4, 6 is our final answer, guys. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it? Yeah. So we'll do one question, which is even more challenging. And let's see how do we go with that, guys. So again, I'll be making 3 space first. And now, again, let's do like the first number and multiply them. So which is going to be 5, 6, 30. So I'll put down 3, 0 here. So my first number is done. Now I'll be looking at the last one. So again, last digit here, and I am going to multiply them. So 1 times 3, which will be 3. Now I'll try to get the middle number, but we do know the trick as well. If it is coming more than a single digit number, then we can use the carry method. So inside, outside. 6, 1 is 6, plus 5, 3 is 15. 15 plus 6 is going to be 21. But I can't write down my 2 digit here. I can write down only the last digit, which is 1. So 1 I can write down here. And the first number 2 goes as a carry. So 30 plus 2 is going to be 32. And then I go to 1 and 3. So 3,213 is my answer. Now let us do one extra question, guys, which is a little bit challenging. So if I'm taking, let's say, bigger one, really, 84 multiplied by 57. I'll go very slow because you got to understand this method properly. But if you can do this question, guys, then 2 by 2, any question, you'll be able to do it by using this method very quickly. So again, what am I going to do is 1, 2, and 3 spots. But this time I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to start at the end, guys. So I want to find out my last digit first. So for that, I'll be considering my last digit of the first number and the last digit of the second number. I'll multiply them. So 4 7 is 28. But I can't put down 2 digits there. I can put down only 1 digit. So that is going to be 8 here. Then what about these 2, guys? 2 will go as a carry for the second digit, what we are going to find out here. So now let's get the middle number or the second digit. For that, again, inside, outside. So 4 times 5, which is 20, plus 8 times 7, 8 7 ja 56. 56 plus 20 is going to be 76. But then I must not forget this carry. 76 plus 2 is 78. So I'm going to put down 78 there. But again, as the second digit, I can't put down 2 numbers. I'll put down only the last number, which is 8. So 8 will come here, and this 7 will go as a carry. And now I need to get my last number, guys, here, which is the first number, yeah? The first number, I got to consider my first number here, and the first digit here. I can multiply them. So 8 5s are 40. But I must not forget this carry. So 8 5s are 40, and then 7. So that is going to be 47. So 4788 is our answer. Isn't it amazing, guys? Yeah. So now you're ready, guys, all set to impress your family, your friends, and your teacher as well, guys.